seagull and a crow. And the crow is just nipping at his tail feathers. Only the crows would dare share. Or try to. Look, the seagull's not stopping you. Oh, he's gone.